こんにちは、在日インド大使館です。在日インド大使館では、毎週水曜日に、インドの科学技術分野における重要な成果を紹介する動画を配信しています。どの年代の方にもお楽しみいただける内容となっています。今年2月23日、インド政府バイオテクノロジー局下の研究機関、ファリダバード・トランスレーショナル・ヘルス・サイエンス・テクノロジー研究所がUTSAV-2023を開催しました。このイベントには、ジテンドラ・シン科学技術地球科学大臣が主賓として出席しました。本日はこのイベントの様子をお伝えします。ご視聴いただき、よろしければ高評価をお願いします。
The Translational Health Science and Technology Institute Faridabad recently held a celebration in the form of the Thirsty UTSAV-2023. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh arrived as the chief guest in the program. A large number of officials associated with the institute participated in the event, where the scientific achievements and vision of the institute were unveiled. Thirsty, an autonomous institute of the Department of Biotechnology, Government of India, has achieved some important scientific milestones through its research and development work. Dr. Jitendra Singh also noted that the kind of research being done at the institute is even being appreciated at the international level.
We would, for the timing, as long as the new recruitment is pending, we would try to shift from the other places also. And to make it more lucrative, also try to bring in startups. Startups who work in an atmosphere of synergy between research, academics, livelihood and industry. All of them equally integrated right from the beginning. So that it's a sustainable startup, a sustainable research, and translational research is the research which could be applied in our clinical working. And that's only possible when we closely integrate. We have a huge number of groups dealing in metabolic disorders, particularly in South India, even in the private sector. We have Mohan's group there. So since I am associated with most of them, we would also like to, I will also make a conscious effort to get them integrated, because this is one of the most pioneer institutes, at least in the government sector. And therefore we need to move on together for better outcomes as we move forward. I'm sure, as Rajesh was saying, this is an institute which is young, of course, but it has lot much to celebrate.
On the occasion, the Union Minister also laid the foundation stone of a medical research center, which will be a 50-bedded hospital that will be useful for the conduct of observational cohort studies and phase 1 and 2 clinical trials in the future. The center will give a big push to the research programs of the institute. Scientists at the institute made major contributions to the research and development of vaccines and other scientific solutions during the COVID pandemic. Apart from the Union Ministers, officials of the Department of Biotechnology, the Executive Director of the institute, and many other dignitaries participated in the Thirsty UTSAV 2023.
मेडिकल रिसर्च सेंटर एक सर थोड़ा सा नॉवल आइडिया है, बट ये पहले से THSTI के मैंडेट में कैबिनेट नोट में लिखा हुआ था कि THSTI जो ट्रांसलेशनल हेल्थ साइंस है वो हम अपने प्रोडक्ट जो बनाएंगे, चाहे वो वैक्सीन हो, चाहे मॉलिक्यूल्स हो, चाहे डायग्नोस्टिक्स हो, हमारे पास अगर अपनी मेडिकल फैसिलिटी होगी, मेडिकल सेंटर होगा जो कि एक रिसर्च सेंटर होगा, तो हम वो चीज़ें वहाँ टेस्ट कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऑब्जर्वेशनल कोहॉर्ट स्टडीज़ एंड फेज़ 1 फेज़ 2 क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स. हमने प्रोविजन भी रखा है सर ह्यूमन चैलेंज मॉडल, जैसे कोविड के टाइम में बात हुई थी कि ह्यूमन चैलेंज मॉडल बहुत क्विकली वी कैन इवैल्यूएट अ वैक्सीन.
The Translational Health Science and Technology Institute has done great work in many areas of research and development in maternal child health, vaccine development, and anti-tuberculosis and anti-dengue therapeutic molecules. The institute has world-class facilities like a BSL-3 laboratory, an experimental animal facility, a large biorepository, and state-of-the-art equipment for molecular research.